I absolutely love the Web Corps program. I've been involved for, gosh, I want to say 4 or 5 summers already. The best part about this program is I've seen the students grow so much. A lot of these kids come in, they're not from the same school, they're not from the same, background and at, where they're at, but they come together with 4 to 5 folks on the team. They didn't even know what they're going to do, but by the end, they literally built this amazing team to create that final product. We at Key truly love seeing, these kids grow. We want folks to learn about STEM. We want to encourage folks. I mean, we're a technical organization. Even here at Key, we're all different folks from different lines of businesses and different pieces. We had some marketing folks. We had some, technical folks. I'm in cyber, so we had the cyber folks. We had just a well-rounded group of folks, and we try to show people that it's about how you work together. Someone gave me a chance years ago, and I did a big leap from the non-technical world to technology, and someone truly believed that I can learn it and do it. And if I would not have had that one person standing in my background. So for me, I've learned, and I want to pay it forward by just encouraging folks.